My life is full of plans, schedules, and goals. Everything's written, dated, linked to moments I dream of achieving something, making things happen. But right now, I'm exactly where I don't want to be. Hey, my name is Edu Martins, a filmmaker and content creator. I live in London, a very busy city. My passion? Traveling, getting away from this busy place, relax and get to know new cultures, new places, discovering the world. For years, I put my heart into something that wasn't working out. But this is not a story about failure. This is the story about no beginning. I love the idea of restarting. Every year after winter, I reflect. What worked, what didn't, what needed to change. Traveling fuels the reflection to learn, evolve, and reset. These countries inspire me. After chaos and destruction, they rebuilt. Today they stand as a symbol of resilience, of progress. And isn't life like that? Sometimes we have to rebuild from the ground up. Back in 2019, I left Brazil. I was a video editor at the country's biggest media company, but I knew I wanted more. I moved to the UK knowing I would have to start from scratch. I worked different jobs to survive. Then in 2022, I decided to return to my passion, creating. I made my YouTube channel, sharing my trips and telling stories. It worked for a while. In 2023, I landed my first part-time content creator job. But in 2024, everything changed. I left that job, applied endlessly, made it to the final round of interviews for my dream role, and I lost it. I was drained. Weeks went by, stuck in my head, feeling like a failure. But then something shifted. During my winter holidays in Italy, I made a plan, the rebuilding plan, to restart, to push forward, to not give up. I took a while to understand that everything is a part of the process. I still had a lot to develop, to learn and to improve. And this is the part of life. I know we all think sometimes we want to grow and want to blow up. We want to be successful, and we don't understand that it takes time and it's not easy. We all know that it's not easy. So after weeks on bed, I couldn't get up and I couldn't do anything. I couldn't create and I didn't want to do anything. At the moment, new goals and new projects. I noticed I should keep going. I shouldn't give up. For everybody who's in the same situation, don't give up. It's just a part of the process. I decided to leave all those frustrations in the past. Not forgetting about this because I think they are lessons and it's important. But every day we have a new chance to restart, and that's beautiful. Slowly things started to change. Clients came back, my motivation returned, and I realized I'm not alone in this. So many creators have stories like mine. This is a new beginning for me, for us. If you're rebuilding something, your career, your passion, your life, you're not alone. We are in this together. 2025 is the year of rebuilding. Let's grow, let's evolve, let's create.